Millyard, help mate! Millyard! Hey, welcome back to the shed. The tyres are on, hey? Look at that! Millyard! These are really heavy!
That looks amazing. I'll take the light one.
Ah, God, get in. Get in, get in.
Oh, they look really good.
They are lovely,
yeah,
but they're quite heavy. They do look divine, actually.
They're amazing. Hey? The tyres look really good on the rims.
Just like the engine and frame does right now, then. I'll tell you what, this is going to transform in front of your very eyes, because it's time for the swing arm. And, well, hopefully, within about an hour, we may just have it up on its wheelies.
Very good chance.
Yeah, it might do. I'll get the swing arm then, shall I? Here we go. Fitting the swing arm requires a bit of fiddling and faddling.
There we go.
There we go.
Straight in.
Look at that. Straight in, mate. Straight in. Oh, straight in. Beautiful. Tomorrow, Sammy arrives. Yeah. And also, hopefully, the bodywork will from our Tom. Now, we don't have our shock absorber yet, so Alan has rigged up a stand-in.
Nice and firm.
Nice and firm, mate. Next, the forks. Hard chromed and beautiful, hey? Now, I've got some lovely Mocheck stickers coming. Originals, well, they're not original, replicas, obviously. And they're going to be stuck about there-ish. Millie greases the headstock, top and bottom. And then, after a quick bit of brute force... Hang on, no, the bench is going with us, Millie. Oh, I was supposed to... Our motorcycle meccano continues. In go the forks and the bearings.
Okay. This might be a bit stiff.
On goes the front wheel. Oh, Sam's missing out, you know. And the clip-on handlebars. We are now beginning to realise our dream. Then, once the top yoke is fitted... Right then, it's rear end time. The bike needs to be flipped around so it doesn't overbalance when we start on the other end. On goes the cush drive, and then the fiddliest bit yet as we fit the rear wheel, replete with spacers and spindles.
We'd be no good in the paddock at the moment, would we?
No. We're paddock at Ascot.
You ready?
Yeah, that's it. That's it, we're through, Millie. We're through. Then, once Alan has tightened up the rear wheel and fitted the brake caliper, we put back the carbs.
That's it.
Go, Millie, we're in.
We're in, that's
it. We're in. Just tighten them up. Blimey.
That looks
mate.
that looks pretty cool.
I mean, look at it. It's just so kind of bulbous and aggressive and...
Hey, have you got the air filters?
Yes, I
do. Should we put those on as well?
And with the K&N air filters providing the final touch, it's the perfect end to a perfect day. We have ourselves really a quite incredible rolling chassis of our Suzuki Moto Martin GSX 1100. And there's tomorrow and the next day for lots more fun.